When a brake warning light illuminates on your dashboard, it signals a potential issue within your vehicle's braking system that requires immediate attention. There are primarily two types of brake warning lights you'll encounter: red warning lights and amber or yellow warning lights. Each color indicates different levels of urgency and types of problems. A red brake warning light typically indicates a critical problem that requires immediate attention. This is the most serious type of brake warning. Red brake warning lights can indicate several critical issues: low brake fluid level, the parking brake being engaged, a loss of brake system pressure, or a master cylinder malfunction. To understand these issues better, let's look at the brake system components. The master cylinder and brake fluid reservoir are key parts that can trigger red warning lights. The master cylinder, shown here, is crucial for brake system pressure. When it malfunctions or when brake fluid levels drop, the red warning light activates. Now let's examine amber or yellow brake warning lights, which indicate less critical but still important issues. Amber or yellow brake lights usually indicate ABS system malfunctions, electronic parking brake faults, brake pad wear, or other non-critical brake system issues. These yellow lights often relate to advanced braking systems like ABS, which have sensors and electronic components that can malfunction without affecting basic braking ability. The wheel sensors shown in this diagram monitor wheel speed for the ABS system. When these sensors fail, you'll typically see a yellow warning light. Regardless of the color, brake warning lights should never be ignored. Red lights require immediate attention, and you should stop driving safely as soon as possible. Yellow lights allow continued driving, but need prompt professional inspection. The first step in troubleshooting brake warning lights is a visual inspection of your brake fluid reservoir. This simple check can reveal critical information about your brake system's condition. Low brake fluid levels often indicate a leak in the system, which requires immediate attention. Dark brown or black fluid means the brake fluid is contaminated and needs replacement. For parking brake warning lights, start by ensuring the parking brake is completely released. Sometimes the brake handle or pedal may appear released, but still be partially engaged. In older vehicles with cable-operated parking brakes, inspect the cables for stretching or damage. Stretched cables may prevent the brake from fully releasing, keeping the warning light illuminated. Modern vehicles with electronic parking brake systems may require a reset procedure. This can often be done by holding the EPB switch for 10 to 15 seconds with the ignition on, but the engine off. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the warning lights, professional diagnosis is recommended. Modern brake systems often require specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to properly identify and fix complex issues.